rhythm, cha-cha. And this is Ellen. I'm Jim. We are at the Lancaster Community Center. And so today we did the 3 cha-chas, so I'm going to show you that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We'll go to a 2-hand hold and do a forward check. She does a back check. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna finish it with an underarm turn. Cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, 4, and. Okay? Then we did the peekaboo, which we are just sampling a little bit. So just to give you an idea of what that looks like, we have 2, 3, ah. Cha, 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 ah. 2, 3, cha, 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 and turn. We're going to spend more time with that next week. So, nice job, everybody. Thank you.
All right.
Yay. Questions?